Hey friends, this is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead, and it's that time of year again. Our lights are up, they're always up, but there's a few of them sagging. These, we're going to replace the bulbs in these, or the ones that aren't working, with, what did I get? I got a Canadian Tire. I got these incandescent bulbs. So we're just going to replace the ones that don't work. Oh, it's starting to snow, dear. Take the knot out of those. Here, give me that and I'll take the knot out of them. So these are our candy canes that we put in the tray last year, or in the tree. We've taken them out of the apricot tree but left the lights in. And then we're going to put the candy canes on the back wall. Yes, a little bit farther to the left, right there. Just put a screw at the top of the hook, and if it sways, when we're done, if it sways, we'll put another screw in, or a whatever. Just throw it through a branch. Here. Yeah, just like, yeah, just drape it through. There we go. That has to come down about an inch. Okay. Okay, I'm going to give you the red ones now. It would have been nice if we could have, if you know, the old ones that we had were all separate. You plug them into each other, and we could have done a better decoration for the apricot tree, but is that magnetic? Here, I'll give you another one. Do you want me to? I can't get in there or I'm going to fall. There she goes zooming. Are you zooming? What are you doing? You silly saucy. Okay. A little bit farther. There. Yeah. Right there where you have it. Straighten it out, yeah. Beautiful!
I mean,
here, I'll get you another screw. If I can get in here. Friggity dig. Okay, that's fine for the moment. We're going to do the bulb, any of the bulbs over here that don't work, we're going to put ones in. Do you want me to staple those in place so you know exactly where to put the brackets?
No.
Okay. Okay, figure out which ones aren't working, and I will hand you the bulbs. This one's working, it's got a red one in it. Let me get these out of the package. Okay, that's blue. Beautiful, Clark! I was so pissed off when we did these last year and one was out. Okay, is the yellow one going?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, well then leave it on. Huh?
You just barely tell if they're on or not.
Well, that's the white ones, right? As long as they're going, they're fine. Oh, Howard. Thank God the wind's going to the road. You need a... That one's on. Okay, you need a green one then, right? Well, if it's the bulb, if the thing is green, it needs a green light. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's going to look so nice. Do you want me to go look in the house for those clamps? They might be in my purse. All right, I'll go look for the clamps for the candy canes. This is going to be amazing. The green one's lit? It's hard to see, but it is light out. Okay, let me go look for the clamps. These are just hanging on screws, as you saw. So we have these little pipe brackets that Howie's going to put about halfway up just to make sure they stay in place.
Is that straight?
Yep. We should have got another set of lights for this tree, but... What are you doing, Gracie?
Have 20 more rows of light somewhere?
Huh? No, I meant outdoor ones. We only had 5 of those, so Howie's gonna use this piece of binding tape to staple it on either side. You got the cord behind you. Is it on the screw?
No, it's beside the screw, but it is.
Beautiful, Clark. All right, we just have to tidy up that one loop on either side of the bay window. There's a little loop on your left there. Perfect. And just one on the other side, I think. Nice. Later on, folks, when we get some snow and everything's white, I'll come out at night and take a picture for you. Just right in the center. Yeah, perfect. There you go. Thank you, darling. Yeah, I know it's cold. Let's get in the house where the fire is. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying, and that's all we do. We just tidy up and organize what we did last year. And now we're going in where the fire is, the house is warm with the fire. All right, that's our Christmas decorations on the outside. When the snow comes, I will take a nighttime picture for you when we have lots of snow. All right, mwah! Take care, God bless.